Hello my phonics learners, let's decode the mystery of double C. In the words given this side, the sound of double C is k, like occupy, account and many more. But the words which are given this side, the sound of first C is k, while the sound of second C is s, like access, success, vaccine and many more. Why is it so? The reason behind this is if double C is followed by letters A, E, then the sound of second C becomes s in the words like these. And if double C is followed by any other letters other than these letters, then the sound of double C remains k only in the words like this. I hope this video was helpful for you. Follow for more. Thank you.